what that Uber Eats order is. What's that? Woo! $36 for 6.5 miles? What? $36.07 for 6.5 miles. I cannot make this up. That's crazy. They're very busy on DoorDash. $2 per hour extra will earn by time, so I might just do that. But
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Order ready to go. Declined that Uber Eats offer. I was driving past Walmart. I decided to hit the Walmart parking lot because I know if you don't go up inside their parking lot, then you may not get the offer. But I got one. $25, 5.8 miles. Ain't number 14 items on this bad boy, and they all grocery items. So we finna head up in here and get this done. Hello, would you like me to sit inside? Alrighty. Oh yeah, gotta have a wagon. Yep, I got them all in my car too. I got my second and third row seating laid down. Just a whole bunch of bins in there. Actually, I'm just gonna sit this in here. That's a little tall. You got right down there. Thanks for the great work, guys. I really appreciate it. Anytime, you guys have a great one, okay? Yo, Uber Eats been trash lately, okay? I just turned it on. I got $10 for 3 miles. I can't even believe this the very first order they just sent me. So, if you seen my last video, it said about 75,000 views now. Uber Eats been pretty bad. You know, the order's been upside down. They've been trying to send you real far away, and I ain't got no time to play. So look, if you don't know who I am, I'm your boy FDA Dash and Trader. We finna do an Uber Eats ride along. I will be showing you every single order they send me, including the one I'm on right now, $10 for 3 miles. Let's see if this trend continues or if Uber Eats is ready to turn around so the drivers can start making some money. If you're an Uber Eats driver, I need you to tap in below. Let me know what your experiences has been like with Uber Eats. Are you actually making money taking orders? Or is you just, just went on and turned the app off, uninstalled it, because you can't take no more? Me, I'm just about to the point where I can't take no more, but we're going to give them one more shot. Let's head on over to Doc's Smokehouse and pick up this smokehouse. Oh, okay, yeah, I definitely been here before. Let's see if they got this thing ready, y'all. Looks like they got quite a few folks up in here. I don't see no pickup window. Oh, okay, nope, I just seen him walk up with a bag. I think this order is ready. Who is this for? Kyle? All right, Kyle, don't even worry about it. We about to hook you up. Let me move my stuff out the way first. How you know? Not too bad. Lucky? You know what? Take your time. No. Okay, so order number one, not ready. But that's okay. Now it's pretty much like raining like crazy. DoorDash just threw on $1 peak pay. I might just go on earn by time on DoorDash. I've been sitting here waiting on this $10 Uber Eats order. And they should have been had this thing done, and now I'm sitting here, I gotta run back inside. I had to throw my raincoat on. Let's see if they got this thing ready now, and if not, I'm gonna unassign it and turn on DoorDash earn by time. Cause this was supposed to be a great order, but these are the things you run into with Uber Eats. Even when you get a good order, it end up being a bad merchant or something. And this is the something right here. So I'm gonna go in here for the third time and see if they got this order ready. And if not, we switching gears. Okay, ready. Let me see if I can make it to the car without getting rained out. Oh my goodness. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Whoa! Whoa! That is a lot of water right there. We made it back to the car. Okay. Now we can go ahead and see where this thing is actually going. Huh. It's going right across the street. But let's see exactly what. Look at that. They're very busy on DoorDash. $2 per hour extra will earn by time, so I might just do that. But before we do that, let's go ahead and get this Uber Eats order done. Order is verified, complete pickup. Town Place Suites. This must be a hotel. Let's go. We head to the who trying to do that nonsense where they send you an order while you own an order. $9.61 for 4.3 miles. No, I'm not taking that because I'm not even over there. I'm not even nowhere near that.
Turn right.
I gotta get to this hotel. Look, now they sending me another one. $11.66, 12.1 miles. Huh? It's not happening, Uber. It is not happening. Matter of fact, I'm trying to make it to this hotel because I think it said meet at door. Yeah, here we go. Town Place Suites. This is where we need to be, right here. All right, so we got that one done. That customer was nowhere to be found. They were not in the lobby. They were not where they were supposed to be. But best believe that food is in the lobby. So if they looking for it, it's gonna be right there. But look at this, $5 for 1 mile. Oh, that must be rideshare. I must have Uber rideshare on. Let's go ahead and turn that off, cause they tripping. Yep, $5.67. They want you to drive in the rain. Probably a college kid. Looky here, college kid. You're gonna have to come out of a couple more dollars if you need a ride, because it's not happening. Matter of fact, I think just because they sent me that horrible offer, I'm gonna just go ahead. I don't even have rides on. That was an Uber Connect. That's crazy. Let me go ahead and turn this on and see if it's any surge out here. Nope, it's raining cats and dogs, and there's no surge out here on Uber Eats. Absolutely crazy. Why? This is UberX. Why are they sending me UberX and I don't even have UberX on right now? This is absolutely hilarious. Like, Uber does not care. I got a Trip Radar, $12.40 for 8.9 miles. Trip Radar makes no sense because I do not have UberX on. Let me look. I did have UberX on. Let's turn it back off. Look, they sent me that first one. I didn't have it on, and I toggled it on, or maybe they toggled it on for me, but it wasn't on before. Uber did not send me another order back to back because I declined those 2 bad ones they tried to trick me into taking. So we finna turn on DoorDash. Hold on. Let's see what that Uber Eats order is. What's that? Woo! $36 for 6.5 miles? What? $36.07 for 6.5 miles. I cannot make this up. That's crazy. Yes, I will be accepting that. That's the best Uber Eats order I've never seen in my life. What? $36 for 6 miles? Hold on, let me hurry up before they change their mind. This is crazy right here. We going to Clean Eats, guys. That's a place that make healthy meals, and they got them pre-packaged and pre-prepared. Somebody must have ordered a big old item from them or something, because I do not usually see orders this big from them. This is like very abnormal. Forget kinda abnormal. This is very abnormal. This is something that you do not see. So we finna see what's going on with this order, guys. We heading up there now. I should have known it was too good to be true. We just pulled up 11 a.m., 7 p.m. Man, these people closed, man. They closed, and I ain't got time. I ain't got time to be messaging support or calling them trying to get half pay. Look, I had to cancel it. That's the only thing you can do. That's the only thing you can do in that situation. Now look, $12.06 for 12.7 miles. Hell no, I'm not taking that. $12.06, 12 miles. This is crazy. While I was on the way over here, I had a feeling something was going to be up with this order. So I said, you know what? I'm not taking no other orders. They sent me a good one too. $8.57 for 3 miles. At Viva La Fiesta, I should have took that, because at least I would have something there. But right before that, they sent me $11.63 for an additional 14 miles. Like, nah, man, Uber Eats out here tweaking. And I knew it was a long shot on that order. I really did. And, you know, I hate for it to have been true, but I'm not surprised. I'm really, really not. So, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Look, $8.05 for 9.9 miles. This is crazy. $8.05, and you want me to drive a 20-mile round trip. No! Uber Eats drivers, let me know. Are you seeing these kinds of orders? Here go a Pizza Hut order. $10 and... Nope. We got a good one on Trip Radar. I can't even get to it because they sending me trash. $8.05 for 11 miles. Let me get up out of this parking lot, because like I said, these folks is closed.